stop relying on collagen supplements and expecting magic. Because here's the truth. Without these natural activators in your body, those supplements won't do a thing. And most seniors over 60 have never even heard this. This is no pill zone. We specialize in helping seniors unlock nature's secrets to lasting health. At the end of this video, I'll be revealing the one habit most seniors overlook that quietly destroys your collagen, no matter what supplements you take. Before we dive deep, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you always get to know when we drop a new video. Collagen supplements are everywhere: powders, capsules, drinks. The companies promise glowing skin, fewer wrinkles, stronger joints. But here's what they don't tell seniors. Collagen doesn't work in isolation. If your body lacks the right conditions, that collagen supplement you're taking is like pouring water on a rock, hoping it'll grow flowers. It won't happen. Today on No Pill Zone, let's unpack the critical natural boosters your body actually needs to make those supplements work, or even better, how you can boost collagen naturally without them. Number 1. Vitamin C, the collagen activator your skin can't do without. Vitamin C is like the spark plug for collagen production. Without it, your body can't build, repair, or maintain collagen. Most seniors don't realize their daily needs for vitamin C increase with age, especially when dealing with skin aging and joint health. But you don't need a pill. You can get powerful amounts of vitamin C naturally through fresh foods like oranges, lemons, and grapefruit. These citrus fruits are classic vitamin C powerhouses. Beyond their refreshing taste, they help trigger your skin's collagen production and strengthen your immune system. Bell peppers, especially red and yellow. Surprising to many, red and yellow bell peppers actually contain more vitamin C per serving than oranges. They're also rich in skin-protecting antioxidants, making them a smart addition to any meal. Strawberries and kiwi. These sweet, fiber-rich fruits are packed with vitamin C and other antioxidants that fight free radicals, helping to protect your skin from aging and damage. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts. These cruciferous veggies deliver a solid dose of vitamin C, plus fiber and anti-aging plant compounds that nourish your skin from within. A daily mix of these can naturally support your skin's ability to produce collagen, the real anti-aging secret. Number 2, amino acids, the building blocks collagen can't live without. Collagen is a protein, and like any protein, it's built from amino acids. If you don't have enough of the right amino acids in your system, collagen supplements may not deliver the promised results. Especially as we age, protein digestion slows, making it even harder for seniors to get what they need. So how do you get these critical amino acids naturally? Eggs, especially the whites. Egg whites are a top natural source of proline and glycine, two key amino acids your body needs to build collagen. Starting your day with eggs gives your skin and joints a natura. Chicken, turkey, and lean beef. These protein-rich meats supply essential amino acids like lysine and proline. Seniors benefit greatly from including moderate portions of lean meats in their diet to support skin strength and joint health. Fish, particularly salmon and tuna. Fatty fish not only offer high-quality protein, but also healthy fats that improve skin elasticity. Salmon and tuna are excellent choices for both collagen support and heart health. Nuts, seeds, and beans. Plant-based proteins like almonds, chia seeds, lentils, and black beans deliver amino acids and minerals that work together to maintain healthy skin and collagen integrity. Including these in your diet gives your body the raw materials it needs to rebuild skin, joints, and even bones naturally. Number 3, silica, the natural collagen booster hiding in your kitchen. Silica may not be a household name, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to supporting collagen and skin elasticity. This trace mineral helps bind collagen fibers together, making your skin look firmer and more youthful. Instead of buying silica supplements, seniors can find it naturally in cucumbers with the skin on. Cucumbers are a natural source of silica, especially when eaten with the skin. This trace mineral helps bind collagen fibers, keeping your skin firm and elastic. Slice them into salads or enjoy as a crunchy snack. Oats, a great breakfast choice. Starting your day with oats gives your body a steady supply of silica, along with fiber and nutrients that promote healthy skin and digestion. Oats are simple, affordable, and easy to prepare. Bananas. Bananas aren't just rich in potassium. They also contain small amounts of silica, making them a handy snack that supports skin health while boosting your energy naturally. Leafy greens like spinach and kale. These greens deliver silica alongside powerful antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that nourish your skin, bones, and overall health. Eating these regularly keeps your skin stronger and supports your body's own collagen production. If this is making sense and you're learning something new, tap the like button and share this with another senior who cares about healthy, natural aging. It helps keep No Pill Zone going. Coming up next, we'll dive into how hydration, blood circulation, and smart sun protection all play a critical role in keeping your collagen working, and why seniors who skip these steps may never see real anti-aging results. Number 4, hydration, the simple habit that makes or breaks your skin. Here's a fact most seniors overlook. Dehydrated skin can't hold onto collagen. Without enough hydration, your skin becomes dull, saggy, and prone to wrinkles, no matter how many anti-aging supplements you take. Hydration isn't just about drinking 8 glasses of water. It's about daily habits like drinking plain water throughout the day. Water is the simplest, most effective way to keep your skin cells hydrated. Seniors should aim to sip small amounts regularly rather than chugging large quantities at once. Staying consistently hydrated helps your skin retain moisture and elasticity. Enjoying herbal teas like chamomile or ginger. Herbal teas not only count toward your daily fluid intake, but also offer calming and anti-inflammatory benefits. Chamomile soothes the body and mind, while ginger supports digestion and circulation, both important for skin health. Eating water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges. These foods hydrate from the inside out. Packed with water, vitamins, and antioxidants, they help nourish your skin, maintain collagen, and promote a healthy glow naturally. When your skin is hydrated, collagen can do its job, keeping your skin firm, smooth, and healthy. Number 5, blood circulation, the nutrient delivery system your skin needs. Poor blood circulation means your skin isn't getting the nutrients it needs, including collagen, amino acids, and vitamin C. Without good circulation, even the best supplements won't reach the skin cells where they're needed. You don't need intense workouts. Seniors can boost circulation naturally with gentle daily walks. Taking a brisk walk each day, even for 20 to 30 minutes, gets your blood flowing and delivers oxygen and nutrients to your skin. This simple habit helps your body naturally transport collagen-building nutrients where they're needed most. Simple stretching or yoga, light stretching or beginner yoga routines improve circulation, flexibility, and overall body function. These gentle movements encourage better blood flow, which helps nourish your skin and supports your collagen supply. Plus, they're easy to do at home. Light massage or dry brushing. Regular light massage stimulates circulation directly under the skin, while dry brushing exfoliates and encourages blood flow. Both methods help wake up the skin's surface, boosting collagen production and promoting a healthier, more youthful appearance. These activities help deliver oxygen and nutrients to your skin, naturally supporting collagen and fighting the signs of aging. Number 6. Sun protection, the silent collagen killer you can control. Nothing destroys collagen faster than the sun's ultraviolet rays. Even short, daily exposure adds up over time, causing wrinkles, sagging, and age spots. But here's the good news. Smart sun protection is simple and effective. You don't need expensive creams. Instead, wear wide-brimmed hats when outdoors. Use lightweight clothing that covers your skin. Apply a natural, broad-spectrum sunscreen. Stay in the shade during peak sun hours. By protecting your skin daily, you're preserving your natural collagen and slowing visible aging. Coming up, I'll reveal the one silent habit most seniors overlook, the habit that quietly destroys your collagen from the inside out, even if you're doing everything else right. You've learned about vitamins, amino acids, hydration, and sun care, but this final collagen killer might surprise you. Chronic stress quietly destroys collagen. When seniors live with constant stress, the body releases a hormone called cortisol. High cortisol levels break down collagen and elastin in the skin, leading to wrinkles, sagging, and premature aging. Stress also weakens your immune system and slows down your body's natural repair process, making it even harder to maintain healthy skin. So, how can seniors naturally protect their collagen from the damaging effects of stress? Practice simple breathing exercises daily. Take short walks outdoors for fresh air and relaxation. Stay connected with loved ones and positive social circles. Enjoy relaxing hobbies like gardening, painting, or reading. Even 5 to 10 minutes of daily relaxation can help lower cortisol levels and protect your skin. Ready to take control of your collagen and skin health naturally? Subscribe now, join our No Pill Zone community, and share this video with a friend, because growing older should never mean giving up on feeling and looking your best. Also, check out our playlist on Looking Younger Dermatologist Tips. The link is in the description below. We're here to empower seniors with natural, science-backed health tips that work. Thank you for watching, and remember, aging is natural, but aging well is a choice.